Firstly guys, click to start button, type CMD and right click to run as administrator, then click to yes. Okay, so I have some command to repair your update file, so just a second. So guys, this command 1 2 3 4, so step by step, firstly we want to copy first and justly right click, otherwise you can manual type, okay, and then enter some starting percentage and then finish. So after that you enter second number, this one and this one and this one, okay. Now guys, I am giving you second method. Again click start button, type service and again service, right click to run as administrator, and anywhere to click scroll down, Windows update. This is Windows update, actually this is running. So if disable or manually, so double click to auto, then apply and then OK and then restart. Okay, so then close. Third solution is guys, using any antivirus, so please disable, right click to disable, okay, because antivirus blocking some update and okay. And one more thing also, click to start and disable your firewall control panel, view by category, system security, then firewall defender, Windows defender firewall, so turn on off, so off, then okay and then close. Okay, Windows firewall is turned off, tap to on, click I don't want to, because okay. And finally guys, last and final step, you manual install, okay. So open Chrome browser, okay, and type Microsoft catalog, then enter. Open first link and you enter that KB series, this is not installing, and search and then install, is very simple, okay. Thank you guys. Have any issue, so please comment me and do all step. If you do all step properly, so this is not installed manually, you can update from setting, okay, go to setting and install from there, update, install and download and install, okay. Yeah, thank you.